Hi everyone. Today we're going to explore how to integrate email automation with Brevo and WordPress. To get started, you'll need to create a Zapier account, which allows you to connect Brevo with WordPress. Once you're logged in, head to the Zapier dashboard. You'll find a button labeled Create. Click on that, then select Zaps to begin setting up your automation. If you have any questions along the way, the Copilot feature is available to guide you through the process. Next, choose both Brevo and WordPress from the list of available options. Be sure to fill in all the required details on the right side of your screen. If your Brevo account isn't already connected to Zapier, you'll see a Sign In button. Click it and you'll need to enter your API key. To find this key, go to your Brevo account, click on your account name, navigate to SMTP and API, and select API Keys. On the top right side of your account, you'll see a button labeled Generate a New API Key. Click it, give your API key a name, then click Generate and copy the key. Once you've pasted it into Zapier, simply click Yes, connect to Brevo, and you're all set. Now, repeat this process to log into your WordPress account by entering your base URL, username, and password. Once both accounts are connected, take a moment to configure your settings as needed. When you're satisfied with everything, just click Publish to activate your Zap. That's it. You're now ready to automate your processes. I hope this video clarifies the steps and makes the entire setup easy for you.